Welcome to this economics update covering the February 2026 Consumer Price Index. My name is Russell Gard, Managing Director of Forward Prosperity Finance and Mortgage Brokerage. Today, we are breaking down the latest inflation figures released by the Australian Bureau of Statistics. The headline CPI inflation indicator rose 3.7% in the past 12 months to February 2026. This is more or less good news because it represents a slight drop from the 3.8% inflation rate we saw in December and January just a few months ago. Despite this, when we look closer at the inflation data, the story becomes a little bit more complicated. The trimmed mean inflation reading, which filters out volatile price items, has now consistently stayed at 3.3% for 3 months straight. This tells us that core inflation is actually proving to be quite stubborn. On top of that, the biggest contributor to overall inflation still remains the price of housing. Housing costs are up 7.2% annually, which is a significant jump up from the 6.8% rise recorded just last month. Also, it is super important to keep in mind that the reality of fuel and petrol prices has dramatically changed in the past few weeks. It is for this reason that we expect March and April inflation data to show a massive inflationary spike caused by the ongoing conflict in the 2026 Iran war. For the RBA, this highly volatile oil supply shock will certainly change inflation assessments and inflation forecasts. If you would like to know more about CPI measurements or how inflation can erode your financial prosperity, we can help. At Forward Prosperity, we offer a free, no obligation inflation assessment overview where we will look at your current financial position and explain the damaging effects that inflation has on your savings. Visit forwardprosperity.com to book in a free inflation assessment overview. Thank you for watching this economics update, and if this has helped you, please drop a like, comment your biggest question below, and subscribe to the Forward Prosperity YouTube channel for more economics and financial updates.